Hello, welcome back to the Spider's Web, and in this video we're going to be looking at Warlord Games Judge Dredd's Street Judges. These are extra judge minis. Oh dear lord. So let's get into it and have a look at what we have. Now in a second the camera is going to flip because I've got this that way and I can't read this part, so I'm going to turn it round and flip the camera. And it says, to the average megacity inhabitant, the most obvious symbol of the power and authority of the Justice Department is the street judge. These formidable individuals are responsible for the strict enforcement of the law on the dangerous streets of the Big Meg, where they act as judge, jury and executioner. Crimes ranging from littering to first-degree murder fall within their remit, and the punishment of a perpetrator can vary from a stern word of admonition, weird word, a crack on the head with a day stick, to imprisonment in an isolation cube, or, in the most serious of cases, a lawgiver execution round. Becoming a judge is a lifelong undertaking, and many individuals falter on the arduous path. Some end up on the streets disenchanted and bitter at what might have been, whilst for many, street judges, Rezik will be the final destination. So we have 5 Warlord Resin Judge Minis, some plastic bases, 4 unit cards, 1 armory card, anti-grav shoots, and 1 big meg card, riot foam. Okay, so let's get in here and have a look at what we have. Okay, so here we are. Here are the bases. That will do nicely. And now we have to get into the pack. There we are. Okay, so before we carry on, this was packed by Ronnie S. So that's another name to go with the list. And the minis were packed by Marcus. So again, we are going to be having these names placed to one side, and what's the word I'm looking for? We will be using these names for the names of some of these judges. So we have, first off, let's zoom in a little so you can see better. That's better. So we have this little sprue, for want of a better word, of arms with hands holding guns, and there's an arm on one of them. And there's also one with a day stick. So it's basically a truncheon. So you've got this truncheon there and the little bit of cloth there that you could stick your hand through, and so you'd avoid losing it, and just a little touch of flashing. And this seems very, very, very pliable resin, so I'm quite happy about that. So then we have this judge. Now this judge would be holding onto a gun. He would be holding, which gun would it be? Let's have a look. It will be this gun. So that's how it would fit there. So that's the judge for that. I'm looking at the back of the box for finding out what the judges, which judges are which. Then we have this judge. She's female. She's the one with the nightstick, or day stick as they call it. This judge is perfectly fine. He's got all his own what's the word I'm looking for? He's got all his weapons and arms, so we don't need to worry about him. And then we have this judge who has the small gun here. And then we have this judge, which has the judge with the little semicircle on top. So they're all quite easy to find. So it's just a case now of painting them. And as I said, one of these will be probably be Judge Marcus. Who knows? But let's put these back into the boxes. We'll pop those in there, we'll pop that one in there like that, and then we'll have a quick look at these cards. And again, Ronnie S. I think Ronnie S will be the name of one of the street gangs, and Marcus obviously would be. In fact, I think we already have Ronnie S. That name rings a bell, but we will find out. So I'll go through all the names later on, and I'm sure I've got them in the actual box that for the core set. Okay, so we have a senior street judge. We have all the stats there, and on the back is special rules, his lawgiver pistol rules, his day stick rules, and his boot knife rules. And then we have veteran street judge. Now I like the way they've got him, show him on his Lawmaster bike. Unfortunately we don't have any bikes with this one, they're all on foot, but never mind. This is the veteran judge, always stats there. And again, special rules, lawgiver, Mark II pistol, the day stick rules, and the boot knife rules. And then we have a judge with stats. We have a quick read of those, and then on the back once more we have the special rules and the weapons and equipment rules for those. And then we have, once again, a street judge. All the stats. Like that. One was judge. The previous one was just a judge, wasn't it? Yeah, so it's judge. This is a street judge. Okay. And once again, special rules and everything else with the equipment. Okay, now we have these two other cards. One's an armory card, one's a big meg card. The big meg card is Riot Foam, and I will give you a chance to read that. And the armory card, as you was told earlier, is the anti-grav shoots. Yeah, I'll give you a chance to read that. Okay, so that is it for our street judges. As I say, once again, the other stuff that we've bought, I think we're probably going to do a joint video for those. So that, because, as I say, the Empire of the Undead was actually Ali's pick. She was quite taken with that one, so they didn't go in there. So I can put that back. But obviously, I went on the hunt for Judge Dredd stuff. Also, while I was there, I managed to have a look at the Slonia, or Slain, as I used to call it. I had a look at the Slonia game from Warlord. And I had been put off slightly because of the pictures on the website of the minis. I didn't like the look of them, but after seeing them in person, yeah, I do quite like the sculpts now. So I think I will definitely at some point be getting Slonia as well. I also want to talk to the guy at the Warlord stall, and he was saying that they're going to be bringing out, because they've got this license with Rebellion, or this contract with Rebellion, who has the license for the 2000 AD comics. They are going to be releasing one game a year. So hopefully at some point the ABC Warriors will get their own game. I am looking forward to that being the case. I hope they do it. But that's it for this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Before I go on, there's going to be one more video of unboxings, but it's not my stuff. Andy from the Games Club got some flat pack buildings and he's asked me to put them together for him, so I will be doing that. But I'll bring the Street Judges back so you can see them. So yeah, I will be having a look at those and doing unboxing, and if I can, I will do some construction videos for them as well. But that's it for this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Until next time, as always, stay safe and take care. God bless, and bye for now.